lesson is on how to use Efix F8 or F7 Plus in calculating the earthwork volume. With the use of continuous survey. This is the interface for E field, as shown earlier on in our previous videos. So we are done with the connection. So this is the interface. Before we start, you need to first of all select survey. Now with survey, we have vision survey, we have area survey, we have cross-section survey. We are much more interested in the survey itself. So this is the interface for survey. So we are going to calculate the earthwork volume of a material of an area. First of all, you go to settings. Now settings, we have survey, display, tools, IMU, and beneath or under the survey we have survey method. What survey method are we working in? We want a continuous survey, so we click on continuous survey. So store fixed solution only, yes, it has been ticked. This is another important note you need to take note of. The mode, we want to work in distance 3D, in a 3D model, or in a 3D distance. And the distance, it depends on the area or the material covering the property or the area. So my work or the material here is just small, so I prefer using 0.5 meters in doing the calculation. So in every 0.5 meters, the instrument picks a point and I continue. Okay, so everything has been provided. So I go back to the interface. So now we are about to start with our volume calculation using or with the method of continuous survey. So we are done with the point picking. If we want to cross check how many points was picked, we just click on this and it will display the number of points picked during the continuous survey. So we picked about 56 points, and we have the coordinates for all coordinates and elevations for all the points. We have the 2D distance and also the 3D distance. We go back to the interface of our E field, then we swipe to our left. So this pop-up shows, and we click on volume. With volume, they will ask you to create. So with this, we need to create a project for the volume. So we have the name. What name? So we prefer using CV. The name is CV, which is calculating volume or volume calculation. We can either any other ways. So we have the method, which is this. We have the surface. So the surface, we need to create a new one. So with this, we have our name as again VC. We have the point. Select from point list. So you select all. Okay. Then we move to the surface style, which is shade, and we click on OK. Load. So as you can see, this is the survey we just did, the continuous survey we just did. We can now view it in 3D. You can view it in 3D. As you can see, this is it. You can view the surface in 3D. This is our material. There's the sun, and you can see it beautifully what it looked like. You go to 3D to see it in 3D mode. So this is it. So this information tells us beneath it we have fill and cut. So the green in our 3D video, or yes, in our 3D video, shows the areas which needs to be filled. That is the green. And the red indicates areas which needs to be cut. It means that the area is very high and it needs to be cut. So this brings us to the end of our tutorial. See you in our next video.